This is one of many shortcuts for putting assemblies together. In this case, I've got a lot of different parts that are going to be mated to this common axis. I've already done these both this, but I want to mate the washers and these components to the same axis, mating them to the reference axis on this part, which is my base part. And I'm going to use a multiple mate mode. So I'm going to click on the mate tool, and I'm going to click on multiple mate mode. And the first thing it wants is a common reference. So a common reference is going to be this axis right there. And I'd already done these to those, but I probably would be better if I went back and did those over again. But now I've got here to the component references. So I'll get this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And those are all mated to those same references. So now I can just hit OK. And I'm going to do the same thing one more time again. I'm going to do it this time to these. Great time-saving tool here. And then the common reference. Each one of these. Another tool you can use to help you when you're doing this is hit the G key, and you get a zoomed in view of everything when you're picking things. So again, I can hit the G key to get the magnified view here, and then I can roll a key and it just magnifies just that area. And another huge time savers. Those are 2 tips for working with mates on assemblies, and great time savers when you're working with a bunch of common mates.